Knock yourself out.
自分をノックアウトしてください。
Knock yourself out. Keep your chin up.
顎を上げてください。
Keep your chin up. Keep up the good work.
これからも頑張ってください。
Keep up the good work. Keep the change.
お釣りはいりません。
Keep the change. Keep in a good mood.
ご機嫌を保ってください。
Keep in a good mood. Just so.
まあまあです。
Just so. Just dress formally.
ただフォーマルな服装をしてください。
Just dress formally. It's driving me crazy.
それは私を夢中にさせます。
It's driving me crazy. It's your turn to do the dishes.
あなたが皿洗いをする番です。
It's your turn to do the dishes. It's very kind of you to see me off.
お見送りしていただきとても親切です。
It's very kind of you to see me off. It's very emotional.
とても感動的です。
It's very emotional. It's up to you.
それはあなた次第です。
It's up to you. It's unfair.
ずるいです。
It's unfair. It's too dangerous.
危険すぎます。
It's too dangerous. It's time to go to sleep.
寝る時間です。
It's time to go to sleep. It's time to eat.
食事の時間です。
It's time to eat. It's 6 o'clock.
6時です。
It's 6 o'clock. It's rush hour now.
今はラッシュアワーです。
It's rush hour now. It's really a noise.
本当に騒音ですよ。
It's really a noise. It's really a bother.
本当に面倒なんです。
It's really a bother. Let's call it a day.
それでは、一日を呼び出してみましょう。
Let's call it a day. Let me try it on.
試着させてください。
Let me try it on. Let me think for a while.
しばらく考えさせてください。
Let me think for a while. Let me take a look.
私が見てみましょう。
Let me take a look. Let me sleep on for 10 minutes.
10分間寝かせてください。
Let me sleep on for 10 minutes. Let me pay my share.
自分の分は自分に払わせてください。
Let me pay my share. Let me make you a cup of coffee.
コーヒーを一杯入れましょう。
Let me make you a cup of coffee. Let me leave so you can get back to work.
あなたが仕事に戻ることができるように、私は去らせてください。
Let me leave so you can get back to work. Let me introduce you to some people.
何人かの人を紹介しましょう。
Let me introduce you to some people. Let me have the bill, please.
請求書をお願いします。
Let me have the bill, please. Let me have my key, please.
私の鍵を貸してください。
Let me have my key, please. Let me give you a hand.
私に手助けさせて。
Let me give you a hand. Let me examine you.
診察させてください。
Let me examine you. Let me drive you home.
家まで車で送ってあげましょう。
Let me drive you home. Let me carry your suitcase.
あなたのスーツケースを運ばせてください。
Let me carry your suitcase. Let me buy you a drink.
一杯おごらせてください。
Let me buy you a drink. Let go for a walk.
散歩に行かせてください。
Let go for a walk. Less meat and more vegetables, please.
会いましょう。そしてもっと野菜をください。
Less meat and more vegetables, please. Landing and takeoff are the worst.
着陸も離陸も最悪です。
Landing and takeoff are the worst. I'd like to make a withdrawal.
出勤をしたいのですが、
I'd like to make a withdrawal.